The cougar that I've been imaging since 2018 is looking very healthy, and here he is coming up the seep up from the hiking trail on July 27th. He can go either left or right at the camera, as there are game trails in either direction, so this makes for a nice cougar highway. Here are a few captures also from the past. This coming clip is from late afternoon in April, and you can see how massive those paws are. He's a big cat. And here he is panting in August last year when it was so hot. And probably my favorite clip here, back in 2018 when he dragged a deer up to the camera. Cougars are known to kill a deer every 10 to 14 days, so he was definitely getting his dinner on this day. Folks ask me what cougar scat looks like, and you can usually identify it by all the deer hair that's contained within it. This pile is about 2 weeks old, and here's some moose scat. There was quite a bit of moose droppings around the camera, and this guy goes by to say hello. The camera's set up for the mountain lion, so I only get his legs. The bear cubs have gotten substantially bigger, but they seem to be camera shy now, as I just got a few fleeting videos like this one. Two of my friends have run into them, and they immediately climb up trees, and Mama comes out and false charges and woofs. So if you see the cubs, you probably ought to back off immediately and get away from Mom. Coyotes are always coming by the camera, looking for field mice and small animals. They are all over Liberty Lake, in the woods and in the suburbs as well. And here's a real malnourished coyote that's probably been rejected by the pack, as his tail has been bitten off by a fight with another coyote. He doesn't look really healthy. I live in the middle of Meadowood, and last week I was woken up at 1:30 in the morning by coyotes howling on North Simpson Road. Apparently they were hunting raccoons and cats, from what the neighbors were telling me, but they roam all the way through our suburbs here in Liberty Lake. There are a lot of insects in the park this year, as it's been so wet, and this doe is obviously bothered by them. You can see her flicking her tail and shaking her head, trying to get the flies and the mosquitoes to go away, which is about what I do when I'm up there taking a break mountain biking. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll do another update as soon as I get some more wildlife clips. Please leave a comment or question, and take care.